she said to this, and it stuck with me for so long. She said after one sermon, "You sound like a young man trying to sound like an old man," and she was totally right. Like that's it. I was nailed. She was so perceptive, and at the point I was, this was 15 years ago. I was a much younger man then, but I'm trying to act kind of grandfatherly and all that. And that was actually, it really stuck with me to kind of think through, like, I'm actually, who has God made me, and what stage am I? And then how can I be like, wise? How can I be imparting wisdom, teaching God's truth, but not pretending to be somebody else? And so that's something that really did stick with me.
The sad thing now, and I can confirm this with you as a father of kind of kids in their late teens, are we now old men trying to sound like young men?
Oh no! I don't like that, but that could be the case. And there was a sweet spot about 5 or 10 years ago.
There was.